Hello guys, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to solve CBSE class 11th mathematics exercise 1.1 full, and this is according to the latest syllabus issued by CBSE for 2024-25. So let us start without wasting much time. Exercise 1.1. Which of the following are set justify your answer? According to the definition, sets are always well defined. So we just need to check whether we are getting a proper well defined answer. If we are getting proper well defined answer, we can say that it is set, otherwise it is not. So let us start with question number 1. The collection of all month of a year beginning with the letter J. So we know from January to December, which many months are there with starting with letter J. So that are fixed. So directly I can say, let me give you the answer for that. So set A will equal, give you first month, that will be January. Then February, March, April, May, June. June also starting with J. Then July. So guys, you can see these are fixed. Let me end this here. These are fixed. July, August, September, October, November, December. No letter with J. So if you go anywhere in the world, you will get the same answer. This is well defined. So it is forming a set. Now the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Now here the problem arises, because for me some writer means the book which I like, according to that I will decide that this writer is best, but my views sometimes will not match with views of others. So here it is not well defined. So we say this is not forming a set. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. It is not well defined, as I said in previous. Best batsman can be various, so it is not well defined. So this is not forming a set. The collection of all boys in your class. In your class, boys are present, means the number of boys are fixed. So in your class, so that is well defined. So you can say this collection is well defined. The collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So if you start from, let me write down a set that is starting from 1 to up to 99, less than 100. So you can see this is the answer, and it is well defined because we know which terms will lie inside that. So this is forming a set. A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. So there are fixed means books which are written by Munshi Premchand. So it is fixed, and so we can say this is well defined. So this is forming a set. The collection of all even integers. So even integers also well defined. All even integers will come. Let me write down how you can write down. Collection of positive, negative, it is not written. So 3 dot, then you can write down -4, -2, 0, 2, 4 and so on. But this is well defined. All even integers will lie inside, so well defined. Now moving towards next, let us go here. The collection of questions in this chapter. In this question, the number of questions are fixed, so that is also well defined. So we can say that it is forming a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Here the thing changes. Most dangerous, so it changes according to the person. That I sometimes I feel the dog is the most dangerous because he can bite me anything, so I'm very much afraid of dog. So we can, somebody say no, dog is the most innocent animal of the world. So this way it varies from person to person, so it can happen like that. So it is not well defined, so not a set. Now question number 2. Let A equals to, set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the element. Insert the symbol belongs to or does not belongs to in the space. So directly from here only. 5 belongs to, let me write down, 5 belongs to A. 8 does not belongs to A. 0 does not belongs to will come A, because 0 is not lying inside. 4 belongs to A, 2 belongs to A. Simple. Okay, let us go with question number 3. Write the following sets in roster form. Already set builder form they had given us, and we need to write down this all one by one in the form of roster. So write down. Set A equals to X such that X is an integer and greater than -3 and less than 7. So let me write down A greater than -3. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see now this is your roster form. Okay guys, moving towards the next one. B. X such that is a natural number less than 6. So natural number less than 6, we all know natural number starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But less than 6. So up to 5 only we need to write. See, X such that X is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digit is 8. So 2-digit number whose sum is 8. So this is little bit you need to do some calculations and then you need to write down. So how you will start? So we know we need to first see the greatest and the smallest 2-digit number. Smallest is 10 and greatest is 19. Between this we need to search that the sum should be 8. So let us start from the first row only. 1. Let me write down. C. So after 10, 1, 7, 17 will come. Now reduce. So 1 you need to reduce here, and 6. 2 plus 6, that is also 8. 1 plus 7, 8. Now 3 and 5, 35. Sorry, 3, 30, 35. And then 44. Then 53, 62, 71 will also come, and now you can see this all reverse, but one more term it is less than, so 80, because 8 plus 0 is also so these are the elements of set C. Okay guys, let us go with next one. Let me use this. D. Set D X such that X is a prime number. Lot of confusion between prime number. What is a prime number? Many students don't know. So please learn what are natural numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers, even integers. Everything you need to understand properly. Prime number which is divisor of 60. A prime number which is divisor of 60 means we can divide 60 with that prime number. So let me write down. Now first of all you should know prime number. Prime number starts with 2. So can we divide 60 with 2? Yes, easily. So then the second prime number is 3. Sorry. So can we divide 60 with 3? That also possible. Then next prime number is 5. Can we divide? Yes, that also possible. Now 7, 11. I think now we cannot divide any with 60. So these are the 3 prime number by which we can divide. So your set D consists of 2, 3 and 5. Okay guys. Now E. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Okay. This is simple. But here you need to keep in mind 2. You can see 2 times T is there. We don't need to write this T 2 times. Only one time in any set you need to write down any element only one time. Okay, so let me write down E, and how you can process, you can see this T, then R, then I, then G, then O, then N, and okay, O is already we had taken. M not taken, so let me write down M. E also we have not taken. E. T already there, R also there, and Y. So these are the guys elements of set E. Okay, no need of writing the same element again, guys. This you need to keep in mind. Okay, moving towards the next one, set F. The set of all letters in the word better. Again you can see F, better. So B, E, T. Again T is already there, E is also there, R is also there. So just B, E, T will come. So this way B, E, T and R, sorry, by mistake I forgot R in hurry. You can see this R was remaining. So B, E, T, R will also come. So these are the, okay, moving towards the next one. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Guys, this is something you need to understand, because this, from converting this to this is simple, but from this to this it needs little bit of proper attention. You can make some simple mistakes. You can write down in, if any pattern is there, you can write down in words like, means like this, and if you don't have any pattern, then you can write down like this also. So every time we need to see what is there. Here this all are divisible by 3, 6, 9, 12, right? So that way also we can take. So here we need to try to understand, and one by one we need to follow the rules. So let us go with this. This all we can see are divisible by 3. So let me write down set A. Let me give name this as set A, where X means the elements such that element, all these are divisible by 3. So that element equals to 3 into n. 3, this all are in table of 3, you can say. So 3 into n, multiples of 3. So 3 into n. But what is n? Where n belongs to natural number. But if you will take natural number 5, 3 5s are 15 will come. So this all natural numbers and should be less than 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So up to 4. So you need to write down n. Directly also you can write down, or that n is greater than or equals to 1 and less than or equals to 4. Now close this. Okay, see this way 1 to 4 we need to take. So that should be equal to or greater than 1 or less than or equal to 4. So this way we need to understand, guys. Okay, moving towards the next question. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now you can see this is multiplying every time. So how we can write down this? Let me take it. This is set 2. X such that X equals to. Now it is multiplying. So like 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So 2 raised to the power of n we can say. Okay, 2 raised to the power. This is in multiplication, this is in power. Now where n, you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5. So but here we need to write down where n belongs to natural number and n means, and here like this way we need to do, but here 1 to 5 is there. So instead of this 4, what I will write 1 and 5. Simple, guys. You can see very simple. Just you need to follow the rules, and I can see this 5 is 25, 5 cube 1, 5 raised to 4. Simple like this only, but up to 4 terms are there. So set C, where x such that x equals to 5 raised to the power of n, where n belongs to natural number, and again up to 4 is there. So 1 less than equal to n, and like 4 up to 4. So you can see, guys, it's very simple, but you need to understand. So every time pattern will change. Sometimes 3 into 3 raised to n. Now you can see here also some pattern. Fourth one, set D, 2, 4, 6 up to infinity. So this all are even numbers, and natural also, even natural numbers. So you can write down in a statement form also. So I think that will justify x such that x is an even natural number, because it is infinite, so not fixed. So directly x is an even natural number, even also and natural number also. Okay, Now moving towards the next one, let me write 1 4 900. You can see these are squares. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, like that. 10 10s are 100. So this is very simple. But how to write this is, let me write down, x equals to n square. Now we just need to do square, n raised to square, because here numbers are changing. 1 2 3, square is fixed. So now again the same thing, where n belongs to natural number and 1 to 10 is there. Here 1 to 5, here 1 to 4. So same way guys, this 1 and now less than 10 or equal to 10. So up to 10 we need to go and over. This is very simple guys, don't get confused. This is very easy. Let us go with the next one. Next question, list all the elements of the set. Guys, here just we need to write down the sets. So let us start. A, x such that x is an odd natural number. Simple. A equals to odd and also natural number. So odd 1 3 5, but up to 3 dots we need to just make it here. So this is up to infinite. So directly 1 3 5 odd natural numbers. Now moving towards question number 2. X is an integer and where greater than minus 1 by 2 and less than 9 by 2. So what you can take, integers are there. Directly I can say greater than minus 1 by 2. So you can take as 0 only, because this is negative. 0 and 1. 9 by 2, that will be 4.5. So up to 4 we can say. Up to 4 we can take. Moving towards C. X such that x is an integer where x square is greater than or equal to 4. X square is equals to means only 2 terms will be there. Integer, but negative will be also there. But minus 1 square will work, minus 2. So minus 2 square will be also 4. So equal to minus 1 square will be also 1. So less than 4. 0 square less than 4. 1 square will be 1. 2 square will be 4. If I take minus 3, that square will become 9. So 9 will not work here. And up to 4 or equal to is there. So up to 4 only we need to take. So this is your answer for this guys. Now set D. Let us go with x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. Loyal. So to L is repeated. All other we need to. So L O Y A L. L is already there. So loyal. L O Y A. These are the elements of this set. Now E. Let us go guys. X such that x is a month of year not having 31st days. So actually this we had learned in lower standard: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Like that way we used to count when we were very young. So that way we can decide. And let me write down. I will write the short form. Not having 31 days. So January is having 31 days. February not having 31. So Feb, March will have. April will not have. June will have. January, February, March, April, May will not have. June, July will have. August, then September will not have. October, November will not have 31. So these are the elements. I am writing in short form. You need to write down full name guys. Okay. Now let us go with set F. F equals to x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. So after K we don't need to write down previously to K. So and they are asking consonant, not vowel. So A, E, I, O, U are vowel. So we don't need to take A. So B, C, D, E will not be there. F, G, H, I is vowel, J and K is already, we need to take preceders of K. So these are the elements of set F, guys. Okay, and the last thing, just we need to match. So you can see 1 2 3 6. So we need to see X is a prime number and a divisor. So prime number. So 1 is a prime number, no, so this will not work here. Is a natural number and divisor of 6. So natural number and divisor, so this will be 1 and C, guys. 1 and C, 2 3, these are prime numbers and divisor, yes. So this will be go with A, that will go with A, right? Now moving towards question number 3, mathematics. I think this is mathematics, so that will go with D, and the remaining one 1 3 5, that will go with odd natural number less than. So this way we can solve all the questions of exercise 1.1 of CBSE class 11th maths. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.